Had this hot wire all set up like 3 days ago, anticipating the cows coming in here. And unfortunately, right when we move the cows, it decides to break. Fortunately, the cows are cooperating and they're content eating grass. So we're gonna get this all tightened back up and get the charger on it, get back to making sure they have water. Nice. In the fall, all of our cattle are usually coming off of nice, good pasture, summer pasture. So in the fall, we've got to start moving them around a little bit. And what we do is we put them on what we call aftermath, which is our hay fields that got cut for hay during the year. There's still a lot of good feed out there on them and edges, and so give them a chance to eat down all the leftover grasses. It helps in a bunch of different ways, but what we have here is we have a bunch of fencing that was good last, well, probably 4 or 5 months ago, but I think between cows and maybe just some of the insulators and stuff breaking, I'm having to get it all fixed so that we can get hot wire all around to the cattle. But yeah, it's constant fixing and adapting every time. So on our fence tester tells us how hard it's hitting, so how many kilovolts. And it also tells us where our short is. So it'll put an arrow in the direction of a short. So if like the hot wire's touching metal somewhere and shorting it out, it'll tell us. So when we get to the point where the arrow goes back the other way, we know it's in between our two arrows and we can usually narrow it down. So I traced the short down. We had 2 spots that the hot wire had gotten wrapped up into the barbed wire fence. And I was only getting 1.9 at the beginning, but I knew there was a short somewhere. So chased it around, found the spot where it was touching, and now we're hitting at 6.97, which is really good. So that'll help keep these guys in. We got a road right here, so we definitely want the fence to be hot and make sure the cows don't cross it. 5.5, looking good. That wasn't very graceful. Now I'm gonna go finish up this water thing, and then we'll work on getting the rest of those over.
Are they across the river?
Yeah, so I'll probably have to send one of you over and we'll just push them. I don't know where they went through though. I'm gonna try calling them first. Up, 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 up. Up, 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 up. Yes. Give them a little more pressure. Keep coming.